So we're here with Ben Scheets. Ben is from Salem, Ohio. Ben just completed the Details R Certified Detailer Private License Training Program Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Uh, Ben did a great job along with the trainers on this Dodge Caravan that was absolutely destroyed. And we probably increased the value by about $5,000, I think.
Yeah.
So did a great job. So Ben, you have had a detailing business in Ohio for about how long?
About 5 years now.
5 years.
Yes, yes.
What was the objective to come to the Details R training?
To legally run my business and figure out ways to paint correct and ceramic coat better.
So, when you say legally, to find out all the compliance
Yes,
things,
correct.
the LLC, the insurance, the
Correct.
bank account,
Insurance, all
the
of that.
EIN number,
Yep,
all that
yep.
stuff. So what'd you think of Friday?
The business class on Friday was great. It went all over everything I needed to know, 24 chapters of everything I needed to know, all of the insurance, taxes, LLC, the EIN number, everything that I need to know.
So now
There,
instead of running under the radar, right,
yep,
you'll be able to actually promote your business
yes,
more proficiently
yes,
and your marketing and
yes,
probably do a lot more
yep.
business.
And I'll have those videos also to go back to.
Absolutely. I'm going to
So,
send you the
yep,
videos. Yeah,
yep.
absolutely.
So,
So what about Saturday? That was yesterday.
so Saturday was a great day. I was able to paint correct the whole caravan with Chase, and we did a great job. Um, it turned out really good. We said it looked gray before, and now it looks like a jet
Amazing.
black.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
and then after that, we coated it. We tested out a year coating, a 3-year coating, and a 5 to 7 year coating, and they all went on really, really nice. I didn't have any problems with any of those. And then the next day was the
Today, yeah.
interior day, and we did a full gut out of the interior, extraction, steam cleaning,
Coating.
coating. We ceramic coated the back seats, ceramic
Yeah,
coated the
windshield,
fabric,
yeah,
the
everything.
windshield,
Did a
everything.
great job, man.
So
Yeah, did an actual
we went over everything I needed to know. Everything.
did great.
Yes.
Did absolutely great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very good, man. So you are now Detail Czar and
Jade.
Jade Ceramic certified.
Thank you.
Congratulations, and yeah, you're going home with a nice order too.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, got a bunch of products.
Can't wait to
Got the
use
Jade
everything.
coatings, the Rupees polisher.
Yep.
So you'll definitely make some money with that.
Yes.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Thank you, Nick.
All right.